And now to a connection between an essential gene and striking gender differences affecting patients with autism and Alzheimer's. Both of those may open the path towards battling the diseases. i24 News correspondent Shachar Peled met the Israeli researcher behind the revelation and explains.
I have Alzheimer's disease, early onset.
Julianne Moore's latest portrayal of a professor who receives the devastating diagnosis sheds light on a disease which affects women twice as much as men. And Israeli research now explains why.
What we've asked in this particular study that we are discussing is it the same in males and females?
Professor Ilana Gozes has been researching biochemistry for over 3 decades. 15 years ago, she discovered a gene essential for the formation of the brain.
We called it ADNP, activity-dependent neuroprotective protein, because it protects nerve cells against electrical blockade. ADNP was very recently found to be mutated in autism. So this is a very strong connection, and also ADNP may change in Alzheimer's disease.
Published in the prestigious Translational Psychiatry magazine, Professor Gozes' latest study revealed groundbreaking results. The gene regulates differently in men and women, explaining why males are 4 times more likely to suffer from autism than females, and why Alzheimer's is more common in women.
It's opening a door to think about our brains not as the same like males and females. Also, when we design drugs, we have to be very careful in clinical trial design, because the female and the male, or the boy and the girl, won't react exactly the same.
Today, there is no separation between men and women in terms of mental or neurological diseases. Thus, the new study might be revolutionary for developing the cure.
If there is a difference, we should treat males and females, or men and women, separately, and think about it, how to help in a better way.
Gozes and her team now have a drug candidate in their lab, one of the most useful findings which could lead the way for a disease-fighting drug.
It enhances ADNP activity, I think, for the better.
In the meantime, they continue the lab work, providing a ray of hope to millions.
I am in touch with the families of the children with ADNP mutation, and I would love to help them. And you know, we all know people with Alzheimer's disease. So this is another population that I would really love to help.